Who is ready for week 14 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays? We have a huge one for you guys today. This one is $1,900 from Soul Supremacy, and it hopefully will be a banger. I say hopefully because we've been in kind of like a weird like roller coaster thing with these boxes recently, but I think this is gonna be a good one. I have a good feeling about it. It should be lit. Stay tuned. Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Sneaker Mystery Box for you guys on Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. It's kind of rhetorical. You guys know what day it is by now. It's always on Fridays. And before we get into the unboxing, you guys should know by now that I'm all about saving money, and I hope all of you guys are about saving money too. And I mean, a big reason why I shop around for these sneaker mystery boxes is because I'm all about saving money. I'm trying to save money wherever I can, because if you can save money in certain areas, you're able to buy more things. Things being sneakers here. And if you guys are trying to build sneaker collections, it's very important to save money. That's why I do these beater boxes and stuff, and that's also why I use ShopTagger. Shout out to ShopTagger for sponsoring this video, because I am super stoked that I can tell you guys about how ShopTagger can save you guys money. So you guys are able to download this dope extension from the Google Chrome store, put it on your computer, put it on your Chrome, and it instantly starts saving you guys money. How does it actually save you money though? When you're shopping around in stores like M Clothing, like I am right now, all you have to do is find an item that you like, click on the ShopTagger icon at the top right of your screen, and what it does is it allows you to actually save these items onto ShopTagger, where you can find out when these things go for cheaper prices. So anytime there's a discount on that item, or there's a coupon code available for that item, ShopTagger actually notifies you via email, or if you download their app, it also notifies you via like mobile push message. But either way, it's all about speed in this game with sneakers and clothing, right? If you guys miss that discount, or you guys miss that price cut, it will go quick, because you know somebody else will scoop it up. So it's really important to have ShopTagger when you guys are shopping online, because they do the work for you, man. They find out those coupon codes, they find out those discount prices. It's easy to download, it's fast, it's free, it's simple. I like it. And so you guys can see over here that I'm on ShopTagger, and I actually like set up outfits, like outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, and these are all things that ShopTagger will notify me for when they have discount prices for. So I'm able to cop those items, create that fit for less. And when that discount happens and you guys are ready to buy, ShopTagger actually shows you the coupon codes right at the end of the checkout. So very cool right there, man. That's a new feature for them. However, you guys can see over here, there's no coupons available, but this is actually what it would look like. So I highly recommend you guys check out ShopTagger. You guys can go to the link in the description below, click on that. It will take you to where you can download ShopTagger onto your Google Chrome extension today. Highly recommend it, guys. I mean, anytime you can save money, like I said, is a good thing. ShopTagger helps you do that. All right, so $1,900, guys. We're gonna get right into it. $1,900 from Soul Supremacy. Let's see what we got. This looks like a horrible box right off the bat. I don't see like any off-white boxes. I don't see any Yeezys at the top. I'm gonna be super surprised if we come out big on this one, man. There's gotta be some like old Jordans or something hiding in there, because I don't see anything crazy right now. Anyway, the first shoe that we have here, if I can find the second shoe, is a pair of Jordan 8s. I think these are the Bugs Bunnies. But yeah, this one is crazy beat. Like, it's gross. It is like super dirty, man. Very, very worn. Bottoms, I mean, it looks really yellow. When did this come out? 2012, and it's also a size 12. So I don't know, man. This is probably going for $30, 40 or 30 bucks. It's pretty worn, man, but dead stock, these things would probably be a lot more though. So that's why you guys can actually save money there. Not for me though, size 12. If you guys want them, it'll be on the web store. One more shoe without a box in here. This one is in a size 12. This is not as beat as the other one. You guys can see over here, the bottoms are pretty like this color though. It's literally just like these soles that are like kind of like yellowed up. Other than that though, everything else looks pretty clean. Better condition than that other Jordan 8 we just saw. And I also like this colorway a lot. I mean, black and white shoes, you can't go wrong. This might be a good sign actually. When there's like a lot of beaters, usually there's like one super heat shoe at the end for these kinds of boxes. This next one is a Jordan 4 size 1.5Y. So it's like a preschool size. Whoa, okay, so this is like a, whoa, okay, interesting. This is actually a Grail of mine before. This is the Jordan 4 Mars Blackman. Kind of looks like a Jordan 4 Fire Red kind of vibe, but you guys see over here on the back that there is that Mars Blackman logo. Pretty dope. This one is in like a preschool size though. I can't tell if this has been worn or not, because this is the kind of older shoe. 2006, so there is a chance that these are dead stock, but I don't know. I will definitely calculate that into the price though, obviously, when that's up on the counter over here. So you guys probably know already if it's dead stock or not. older Jordan box here, another preschool size. This is a weird one. Jordan 7 size 12.5C. Okay, and we have like another youth size shoe. This one is from 2005. Man, that is old. I don't have much to say about this. You guys can see like a little bit of like discoloration on the tongue just because of age. I mean, that's like a 15-year-old shoe by now, so pretty darn old. I'm not sure what to do with these things though. It's because it's like, is a parent really gonna get their kid like a shoe from 2005? Even if it is in like very, very good condition. I'm not sure what the market is for this kind of stuff when it's like vintage preschool sneakers. It seems like it's something only a collector would do, you know? Yeah, I don't see any heat. I'm still confused. This one is a Jordan 12 size 13. Okay, and it's a pair of like those blue suede Jordan 12s, and the suede is a little bit worn. Well, I wouldn't say a little bit, it looks pretty worn back here. The rest of the shoe looks fine though. Actually, it's weird, like the bottoms are pretty clean, so that's kind of confusing on how the like suede gets super worn over here. What I gotta assume is that whoever was wearing these were wearing these with like a lot of pants, and that cuff from the pants was just rubbing right here, because that would be like perfect sense actually. The box is also damaged, I just saw. You guys can see back here. Yeah, I don't know. Trying to stay optimistic, man. This is a tough box though. 1900 bucks. I don't know what this says, but I know we're not anywhere close to 1900 yet. All right, we'll pull out this Nike SB next. This one is in a size 7 Premier DLS SBQS. Okay, so we have a pair of the De La soles right here. This is nice, very cool design. I think this is actually one of the better like Nike Dunk highs that I like. The bottoms are dirtied up on this though, but that color scheme is pretty wild, dude. And I think these are going for a decent amount of money. 4 shoes left. I'm still smiling. This one is a Jordan 5 preschool size 3Y. And we have a pair of the Jordan 5 metallics. This one is from 2006 though. The netting is like super discolored from age. The rest of the shoe looks good though. I think this one is dead stock. I would assume this is a dead stock sneaker. I'm super confused, guys. Like, what's going on with this box, man? We're gonna get a banger. I know it. We're gonna get a banger in like these last 3 shoes. Okay, this one is a Jordan 5 size 7. Okay, it's not a banger still. Don't know what this shoe is. Blue and black Jordan 5. I really don't know, man. This is a 2006 model too, so again, way before I was collecting Jordans and stuff. If you guys know what the name of this one is, hit it up in the comments below though, let me know. Now, this also has a note here that says scuff on the back, so I don't know how I feel about that. But, ooh, interesting. I guess that's why they put the note on there. Now I have to find this scuff. Whoa. All right. So this is super disappointing because this is a dead stock pair of Jordan 1 bands, the new one, in a money size 9. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. If we turn the shoe this way, bam, what is that? I don't know what this thing is, man. It's like some kind of like glue stain or scuff like it said on the box, but whatever this is kills the value of this shoe by quite a bit, man. Rest of the shoe obviously is dead stock, so I don't need to show you anything there. But I mean, if you guys are looking for Jordan 1s and in new condition and you guys don't really care about like that one like minor defect, it will save you a bunch of money. It's a Jordan 1, man. I think people don't care so much about those little like aesthetic problems. I hope somebody buy this. Last shoe in the box, we're ending with the big one. This one is an off-white size 12. Okay, I think we got a good shoe. I think we got a good one. I think we got a good one. Yeah. Okay, here we go. This is what I was saying, man. You just gotta have hope and then you'll end up with shoes like this. Now this is the off-white Presto in the original the tan colorway. Obviously worn. For the most part, I mean, the rest of the shoe looks perfectly fine, dude. You can see a little bit of like the off-white logo worn down in there. This is how you end a box, man. Does have all of the laces in here and also has a zip tie over here as well. This should fetch a lot of money. I mean, these things for dead stock prices now are going for like, I think 3 grand. They blew up. Size 12 isn't the best size, but there should still be at least $1,000 on this. So that is good. Very, very good, actually. We made pretty much half the price of the box, if not more, from just this one shoe alone. So that is dope, and that's why I always trust Soul Supremacy all the way until the very end, man. They come through, that's all I gotta say. So that's that for this box, man. We tapped this one out. I think it was actually a really strong box, but you guys let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments below. Hit that up, let me know what you guys think of this box, and if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Don't forget to check out ShopTagger in the description too, guys. Start saving money, start making your outfit list and stuff on ShopTagger. Very cool little extension for Chrome, and you guys can also get it for your phone, so check that out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you next week Friday. Aloha. Shoot!